Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers on the video channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 12mm wheel spacers on your Mercedes E-Class. Let's go. The BONOSS Forge Lightweight Plus wheel spacer is further upgraded and optimized for weight based on the common wheel spacer. We call it Lightweight Plus. Under the premise of ensuring safety and reliability, it effectively reduces weight and energy consumption, thus improves control performance and achieves a balance between high performance and environmental protection. The hollow design makes the whole spacer lighter while ensuring safety. Compared with the previous product before the upgrade, the weight is reduced by about 20% on average, and the lightweight effect is more direct. Although Lightweight Plus costs an additional increase in production cost. For a better customer experience, we have assumed this cost and maintained the same price as the previous product before the upgrade. Hub-centric spacers are designed to help wheels stay centered on the vehicle. Most original required wheels are hub-centric. Hub-centric wheels can be properly mounted and accurately balanced. Installing the hub-centric wheel spacers can provide a higher stability. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheel, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.